We guide you through how to remove Microsoft Teams from Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is to click the Windows Start button and open Settings. Then go to the Apps and select Installed Apps in the search bar. Type Microsoft Teams so it appears faster on the list. Once you see the Microsoft Teams, click the three dots beside it and press Uninstall. Then confirm the uninstall process and wait a few seconds for it to finish. If you also see Teams machine-wide installer, uninstall that too so Microsoft Teams won't automatically reinstall later. After that, restart your computer to fully remove all Teams background files and services from your Windows 11 system. If Microsoft Teams still appears on Startup, press CTR plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Teams and Manager to the Startup tab. Find Microsoft Teams, right-click it, and choose Disable.